Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll be showing you my 2016 firework stash. Alright, so here we got our firework stash. We got these from Phantom Firework. Everything was buy one get two free. This is what we bought today. I have more upstairs, but this is what we got today. So right here we got the Silver Sonic Warhead, $29.99. Blue ringed willows, $29.99. And then willow among the palm, 7 shots, again $29.99. So right here we got some mortars. We got Copperhead. This one was ranked number 1 on their list. Dream Team. This was ranked number 2. And then these canister shells. These were all $69.99. There's the performances for the Dream Team. Here's it for the Copperhead. And then over here we got the Grand Finale assortment. This one was $179. We got 2 of them. There's another one under there. And over here we got the Tube Finale assortment. I'll be doing an unboxing on both of these, that one and this one later. But yeah, all these ones were $179. So that's my fireworks stash for 2016 4th of July. But I have more upstairs. This is what we got today. Alright, so please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video if you liked it. Alright, peace out.